Hi everyone, I'm April Davis with LUMA Luxury Matchmaking, and I just want to tell you about this couple that I just met on my flight. I just landed here in Phoenix and I'm meeting with a client here shortly, but this couple that I was sitting next to on the airplane, I kept noticing that he would grab her hand and hold her hand, and they had to be close to 70 years old, so they weren't, your typical newlyweds. And so I got to talking with them, and it turns out that, yes, they actually are newlyweds. They got married about 3 years ago, and they've known each other for about 7 years. And his wife actually passed away, so he was a widower. And then he was able to find love again. And I was just so excited for them because I know how hard it is for people, especially those that are widowed, to find that next chapter in their life. And it was really awesome to see this, love story come to fruition. And, we were just chatting a bit, and I got to thinking about how I meet a lot of people that oftentimes have these unrealistic expectations of what a relationship is. He had been in a successful marriage for many years, and he was demonstrating that he knew what it took. So he would, do those little things like grabbing his wife's hand and, making sure that she was comfortable, just, being caring and loving to her. And I think that so often people in our society, we're just kind of selfish, and we have this idea that Hollywood has given to us that we can just order up this perfect person online, or just like we buy something off of Amazon, and we're going to have this great marriage or relationship just like we see in the movies, and everything's going to be romantic and everything. But we know that's not true. It's not realistic, and that it takes a lot of work, and you can't just there's no magical perfect person out there. Mr. Darby does not exist, ladies. I'm sorry, but he does not exist. I haven't met him yet anyway, and I don't know anyone else that has. So I'm curious to know from you, what do you think? What's the key to a long-lasting relationship? What's the key to being successful in relationships? What do you think, what have you seen that has really worked for people? Leave them in the comments below, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Bye.